Hey everyone, my name is Shalise. This is a little bit about me. I am born and raised in Colorado. I love this state. It's colorful and has so many beautiful mountains. I lived just about 20 minutes from Denver, which was awesome, an awesome place to grow up. I love Colorado, but I wish it had an ocean or a beach. Um, but it is so beautiful and has such amazing scenery. I was just married on August 18th of this year to the love of my life. His name is Patrick. We will be married for a month tomorrow. We had the most beautiful, perfect wedding in Meridian, Idaho, at the new temple there, which is so beautiful. And it was just the absolute greatest day of our lives. So, those are a couple pictures from the wedding. Um, The picture on the left here is at my sister's wedding 2 years ago, and then the picture on the right is at my wedding just this year. Those are all of my siblings, and the picture on the left has my brother-in-law. I love my siblings so much. We are all best friends. My sister lives in Utah, and my brother lives in Denver, and we are just the closest siblings. I love them with my whole entire heart. They've been my best friends for my whole life and they are just completely awesome. This is a picture of my parents and I when we got our dog Barley. We have had him for about 2 years. He's just the sweetest thing ever. Very high maintenance dog. He has some special needs, but he's so sweet. And my parents are supposed to be empty nesters, but I left them there with Barley, so they have a lot of responsibility on their hands still. Something interesting about me is I love baking and cooking. Um, Cooking is awesome, but baking is more of my favorite thing to do. This picture on the left is of a strawberry dark chocolate mousse cake I made, and then the picture on the right is a Paw Patrol cake I made for a 3-year-old's birthday. I absolutely love cake making, but other desserts are fun too. So if you ever need a cake, I'm here in Idaho. um, Another interesting thing about me is I used to work at the Center for Autism and Related Disorders in Colorado. This is an autism center, and I was a what they call a behavioral therapist there. So I met with autistic kids for a couple of hours each day, and we would have a therapy session and we go over some basic social skills and teach them some basics. And it was an amazing experience. I loved that. I absolutely love psychology. I've known for a long time that psychology is what I want to go into, so that is my major. Um, I am looking forward to having a career that in psychology. I hope to one day have my own practice, my own counseling center or something along those lines, or to work in a hospital doing inpatient care. I'm not quite sure yet, but I'm so excited to see where life takes me, and I know psychology is going to be a big part of it. Um, I also have a blog called The Pursuit of Positivity, and this is just a blog where I write articles about how to be more positive in life. I also have some religious articles, and it's been awesome to share some of my experiences with mental health and positivity on there. So, yeah, that's just a little bit about me. I'm so excited to take this class and to meet all of my classmates virtually. So, I'm excited to see all of your videos as well. Thanks for watching.